welcome on board Icon of the Seas, the world's largest cruise ship. My name is Mike. I am the cruise director on board the ship. Expect the unexpected. Everything that we have done on all of our previous ships, throw it out the window and put it on steroids and imagine that, because that is what you're going to experience here. We've never had a ship with our shows that have so much technology working hand in hand with the artists. Whether it's live musicians, whether it's on stage or on ice or in the water in our Aqua Theater, it is going to elicit a lot of emotions from our guests, and we want them to go away feeling that all of those emotions were touched and that they feel fulfilled.
It's been a fascinating journey, and the one thing with Royal Caribbean that we've been allowed to do is choose the right thing for the right environment. But I think what a lot of people have forgotten is that this ship was built during COVID, which was a massive struggle for our company and also our suppliers and vendors, which is why it's so important to partner with the right people. And we survived COVID extremely well. And if you visit Icon, there is no evidence of those challenges because of the partnerships that we've kept. We're going to be building many of these in the same way, so that obviously we need to make sure that it works the first time and then it'll work for the future vessels.
My name is Dee. We're in the Aquadome on Icon of the Seas. I am the Technical Director of Entertainment on board, overseeing everything sound, lights, rigging, automation, and now robotics as well. I've been with the company for 14 years for a few reasons. One, it's the people. It's heartwarming to see people from all corners of the earth come together and we all have the same single goal of putting on the best entertainment we possibly can, day in and day out. There's a bit of a mentoring element to it for me. There's a bit of a coaching element that I enjoy, and I like to see people succeed, especially those that have been with the company maybe for a year or two, and I can see that they're eager for further advancement, and we help them get along. As far as employment goes, and to try and advertise what we do to technicians or professionals within the industry, we're working with state-of-the-art entertainment. On every ship that we build, we always take the newest and the best of the best in terms of equipment, but also the people.
Being here throughout the whole project and starting from concept and just brainstorming ideas of what the venue could be to actually getting the product and putting it all together and getting it to see it come to life, and then absolutely just playing with it, just going as hard as possible for different types of events. So a few of the lighting solutions that we have on board, I was really excited to work with actually the P3 system and get it all integrated with Magic's video server. Combined with the house lighting pixels, we have the VDO Ceptrons and we have all the Martin PXLs, and just to see the integration between two different worlds come together and just light up the room is just mind-blowing. It's a lot of fun. It creates so much potential for anything, for any rock group that wants to come in or DJ.
Now on Icon we've got the 13th ice rink, which is oval, and we have an opportunity with circular truss to do something a lot different with truss warmers, with a lot more fixtures, and obviously the skaters skating in an oval rather than a square, and it makes life much easier to light and really get some good effects. It's the responsibility of the shipyard and the shipyard's integrator, which in this case was Control AV, to work together with the yard and the ship's outfitters. This is a good example in the Royal Promenade with the integration of the Martin lighting to make sure that it is aesthetically pleasing as possible and functional so that we can do our repair and maintenance in the usual way.
I tell people that are non-cruisers or that are not involved in technology at sea is that this entertainment venue moves in 3 dimensions, up and down, sideways. So it's got its own challenges when it comes to the actual installation and integration of the systems. Icon of the Seas is by far the most technologically advanced local entertainment systems on sound, light, and video. I mean, this ship has the biggest lighting infrastructure of any ship in the world. I mean, this ship stays at sea, work 24/7. It's always on, you know what I mean? So support, service, and the quality of the fixtures, of course, make a big difference on how we do it and who we pick. Icon of the Seas, I think, is setting a new level, a new paradigm on the entertainment and how it all is interconnected as one big system. what makes me smile is looking at the final product and how it all just comes together and becomes one.
Global support is terribly important to us, so we need to make sure that we have a partner that can support the vessel wherever it is in the entire universe.
Having the manufacturers involved is fantastic. I've had a great relationship with Martin, and they've been instantly in contact whenever I need them. It's been a great help. Even when I don't know how to do something, I can reach out and get the answer as soon as possible from up to 10 different people. Will give me 10 different ways of doing something to get the solution that we need.
I can tell you, as far as bookings go, we've never had as successful of a launch of a cruise ship in the history of Royal Caribbean. And we're almost sold out for the entire year of 2024. So if there are any spaces, you need to book them now. You need to book them, pick up the phone, stop watching me, pick up the phone, get on the internet, book that. Otherwise, you're probably looking at 2025. It is that popular.
I'll find myself in an elevator from time to time with guests, and they'll speak about the Aquadome or the theatre or any of the entertainment, the production venues, and you just overhear the conversation. And they saw the show the night before, or they're about to go see it tonight, and the excitement that they have either way, whether they've seen it or not, it just puts a smile on my face, because it just validates the time, the effort, the energy, the blood, sweat and tears we've put into creating the venue, but also creating the production together with the creative team, the production team, the technicians, the cast members. Once that all comes together and we see that reaction from the audience, priceless. The word iconic, it can mean many things to many people, but on this ship, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that we would like to try and encourage people to do more than once.